Come test drive this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include power windows, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.